In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the Outlook sign-in error we could not log you on related to POP and IMAP in a simple step-by-step way. First, close Outlook completely so it's not running in the background. Then search for Control Panel, launch it. Now here navigate to the option Programs and Features. From the list find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Click on it and select Change. Now click on the option Repair. Click on Repair again to confirm it. This will fix any corrupted or broken Outlook files. Once the process is complete, restart your PC and try signing into Outlook again. If the issue still continues, the next step is to check your email settings through your browser. For that, launch your preferred browser, log into the email account that we're trying to connect with Outlook. For example, if you are using Gmail, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon, then click on See All Settings. Now go to Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. Make sure POP is enabled and IMAP is turned on because Outlook needs these settings to connect properly. After enabling them, save the changes. Now go back to Outlook and try signing in again. Enter your email and password when prompted, and the connection should work correctly this time. These steps usually fix most POP and IMAP sign-in errors in Outlook. And that's it. These methods should help you solve the Outlook login problem. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.